Magandang araw. Ang reading po natin for today is Pisces reading for the year 2026. Card, can you give us a reading for Pisces for this coming year 2026, Year of the Fire Horse? Dalawa kaagad yung lumabas na card. A leap of faith for you, Pisces. And your first card is the Fool. The Fool means new beginning, a fresh start. Be ready for a new journey that will present to you. And your second card is the Two of Swords. At the beginning of this year, Pisces, nakikita ko na the universe will present you two different circumstances. And it will lead you to two different conflict facts. The Seven of Swords, deception, warning. Dahil sa ipepresent sa'yo na circumstances, you will come to the point na either you will be deceived or you will be the one who will deceive someone. So Pisces, consider this as a warning, an early warning para makapag-isip ka ng tama and maitama mo yung magiging decision mo. Always choose the right path, Pisces. And your fourth card is the Ace of Pentacles, a seed of potential financial gain. Pisces, the universe is presenting you a lot of fresh start. We all know na sa card, ang Ace ay number 1. The Pentacles represents your finances. Pisces, if you will play your card right this year 2026, malaki yung potential ng financial gain mo sa darating na year 2026. And your fifth card is the Hierophant. Si Hierophant is bounded by beliefs and tradition. I think you will gain knowledge from someone you trust, a trusted source that has a deeper value for knowledge that will encourage you to do